Reach Beyond is a dream of group of professionals committed towards optimizing well-being through the principles of positive psychology.
I'll just take you back into memory lane. A group of ladies with a good intention started a social organization called Karnak Ladies Organization. The mission for these ladies was to help first generation school going children to become well-rounded personalities and emerge as capable contributing citizens of our nation. That is how Reach Beyond was born in 2009.
Positive psychology is moving from what's wrong to what is strong. Life isn't about finding yourself, life is about creating yourself. Positive anything is better than negative nothing. Positive psychology focuses on exploring human strength and potential. It emphasizes on how to make ordinary, common people happy, healthy, and more fulfilled. There are two complementary strategies for improving human condition. One is to relieve negative, another is to increase the strength. Positive psychology focuses on the latter. The positive psychology is based on 5 pillars known as PERMA, P-E-R-M-A. P refers to positive emotions leading to a pleasant life. Engagement refers to how well a human being is absorbed or immersed in one's own daily activities that he or she feels happy and fulfilled. Healthy human relationships is the source of positive life and healthy life. Meaningful life is once when we want to contribute to the larger society, a person feels meaningful and happy and accomplishment life. It is very important in life and in this world to give a smile, a word of optimism and hope. Let us all face the sunshine and reach beyond so that we cannot see the shadow. Thank you.
At Reach Beyond Center for Positive Psychology, we provide platform and opportunity for research and professional activities for optimum human functioning. Positive psychology, as you all know, it's about scientifically informed perspectives on what makes life worth living by focusing on aspects of human conditions that lead us to know from where we can achieve happiness, fulfillment, and a flourishing life. As a practicing therapist, I have been extensively using the different scientific methodology positive psychology offers. It has largely helped me to understand, assess, empathize, nurture, and strengthen my clients. I have observed that positive psychotherapy approaches can be beautifully integrated, it can be seamlessly integrated into the existing traditional therapies we use in the counseling practice, be it solution focused approach, humanistic approach, Egan's model, or CBT.
Another service at Reach Beyond is remedial education. A difference between actual and expected performance in class is an indicator of learning problems. Learning problems are identified by screening tests and assist the students by starting remedial interventions using techniques of positive psychology designed to broaden and build upon their strengths to overcome learning problems.
We started with storytelling, and the whole concept of communicative English, speaking, discussing, talking to each other in English just took a life of its own there. And that's when we realized that the skill that we wish to give these children is what we would like to give our own children, that we don't see. We want the children who come out of Reach Beyond to be able to stand on the same footing and have a sense of self-confidence, self-worth, of being able to speak comfortably with anyone.
I am now 76 and I considered that God has been very kind that He has given me this opportunity to serve for the people of the lower strata of society. It's our duty, moral duty, to give back to the society what we have got from the God. And God has been very kind to me that I have got this opportunity of serving these first generation school going children.
Hi, I'm Pushpa, working in Reach Beyond. I like to work in Reach Beyond. I like children very much, so I want to like with children. And teaching children gives me good feeling. So working in Reach Beyond make me feel cool and like I feel happy.
Hi, I'm Meena. I'm the all-rounder in this center. I was with the center when it started. I don't know before how to speak in English fluently, but now I can. Here I learned how to talk with the people. Before that I was very shy to talk with the people. Now I am talking with each and everybody.
So we had a health checkup for the kids where we got them checked out, general checkup and blood tests and eye tests and ear tests. So all these things, all the health checkups and the eye checkups have been accomplishments, I will say, because there was a betterment in their health. We had called them their parents to give them a better diet and to educate them about the importance of better diet and medicines.
I had known Jayashree for a long time and her activities in which she is involved in. And in one of the discussions with a friend of mine, when he suggested, when I wanted to go to teach somebody, because I realized at a stage that all my earnings are enough for me, and now I have to give back to the society in both ways, my time and also my money. Basically, after coming to Reach Beyond, I found that this is probably the best place that I was looking at, and maybe I was late, but it was never too late. And the children who are here are very, very affectionate. Of course, a lot of them are quite intelligent to their age and probably their background, and which I found that they had been getting whatever that they wanted from the society back for them.
People here are amazing. They give off their time so freely. And the students, we have a huge fan club in Gunrock Enclave. You enter it and there'll be a whole lot of kids saying, ma'am, ma'am, and they'll come rushing at you. And I do believe we're making a bit of a difference, which is what we really want to do. Kids have a safe place to come to in the afternoons and evenings. And for us, this is tremendously beneficial to our soul. My idea is to make them learn English in the kind of how a person would learn a foreign language, not even as a second language, because I want them to get communicative competence in English. They get a lot of their own work in school, but I do things with them that would take them beyond what they do in schools, like collaborative learning groups, and we do a lot of singing. The kids had never sung, so I hit the jackpot when I brought a YouTube video for them full of children's songs, and then when they've been very good and they've done all the work I want them to, then we have a few sessions of singing.
My association with Reach Beyond is little over 2 years. In the process, the amount of satisfaction and happiness I have achieved had no words to be explained. In the process of teaching the first generation school-going children, I have also learned a lot of methods and concepts of learning and teaching which pushes me ahead and motivates me to reach beyond my capacities. I wish many more young volunteers to come forward and join this center and gain the happiness and satisfaction which I have achieved.
Welcome to Reach Beyond. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday.
As a step forward in mind-body alignment with self-regulation, we have introduced skipping for children daily, taekwondo twice a week, and chess once a week.
many other activities what we do with children is the Talents Day, and they perform at our Gunrock Ladies Organization meet and our Welfare Association meet. And whenever I think of any performance, I think of only Mala. She is so good at bringing out the talent of children. And Mala, would you like to share some of your experience?
Yes, in our Gunrock Association, whenever we have our Independence Day or Republic Day celebration, I ask them to do something, and I see that they are so good at it that teach them anything, and just in 3-4 days they are able to pick up, and they do it so willingly and so nicely, whatever it was.
मुझे अच्छा से रोजा नाम लिखने सिखा रहे हैं। मुझे बोलता है बाहर जाने से अच्छा मम्मी कोई नहीं हंसते पर आपको पर नाम लिखना अच्छा से बोल के बोल रहे।
नमस्कार मैडम, शिशु कुमार गौतमी, माय डॉटर, माय सन। ये सेंटर पे आए जब से, रीच बियॉन्ड में ज्वाइन करा जब से, हम लोगों में बहुत अच्छा परिवर्तन दिखाई दे रहा है। बोले सो बात अच्छा सुन रहा है, और एक सेंटर जाने को कभी भी लीव है बोल के बोलता नहीं, अब तक जाता है। अच्छा मम्मा मम्मा कुछ भी नहीं मारता है, अच्छा पढ़ाई करते हैं, जब से इन लोगों में बहुत चेंज आया।
I learned how to think positively, and it is better in my school to think positively. Whenever I see the maths in 7th or 8th standard maths class or all, I will be so scared of it. When I came to the center, I learned to think positively. Everything is possible. So I advise them to think positively and know your strength and work hard.
When I came here, I learned how to celebrate Mother's Day and Father's Day. I surprised my mother and father. I touched their feet and I helped them that day, and I surprised them, and they love so much me. They like that manners.
I would like to share some of the glimpses of this year.
Life is not about making extraordinary people achieve extraordinary things, but making ordinary people achieve extraordinary things. I think this is where Reach Beyond plays a very vital role in making children reach beyond their capacities, especially those children who come from the underprivileged background, and to make a difference. They are like, Reach Beyond is like a ray of sunshine which brings in positivity into a life of a child. I have seen the growth of this NGO, and today I feel very proud that I'm associated with it, though I have not contributed much. I wish I could, and I'm sure in the years to come, I will do my best. It is indeed wonderful to see how selflessly people work here for the simple reason of bringing joy in the lives of these little children. And there has been a positive change in their skills, in their mindset, in their self-esteem, in their confidence, and I think that itself is a great contribution to society, because today's children will become tomorrow's citizens. If we can nurture these positive qualities and values in our young minds, India definitely will be a great nation, especially in today's world where there are so many distractions to take the child away from what is required. I congratulate the team of Reach Beyond for having made such a big difference and for increasing the number of students from year to year and bringing in a lot of change. And we hope that in the years to come, Reach Beyond will be a power to reckon with. Thank you.
Seeing the drastic change in their personality, and we are motivated to take it further, and with all your support, all the community support, we would like to help more and more children at our center.
My gratitude goes to each and every individual and organization whose support and contributions have made this journey of 5 years possible.
Success makes you happy. Happiness can be achieved easily through positive mindset. Hence, I believe and support this cause. A lot can be achieved through hope and optimism. I have accomplished a lot in my life through positive outcome. I urge you all to share this and support this beautiful cause.
Right now, what we are doing at Reach Beyond is just sowing the seed of positivity and positive psychology. Rest will be told by the future.
When you send out your positive intention to do good for others, it has a magic and a life of its own. And this is definitely something what we're seeing, and it's the children who have taught us to reach beyond our own limits.